Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It depends with the place you're watching me from. This day today, it's another great day. We give thanks to Almighty God for the blessings of life and the gift of us having this time again to cherish the fresh air and also to cherish the moments that we had with grandma and each and every person who knew grandma. So please subscribe, like, share, and leave us with a comment. This day today, it's a sad video though, but let me say it's an emotional video because I myself am not really feeling okay, but I have to update you with everything that is going on. And thank you so much for all who have reached out for the condolences. May Almighty God bless you all. And I want to share with you the preparations about what happened. Actually, before even telling you, I'll just tell you a story about how I was with BiBi, or how friendly we were with BiBi. And I know each and every person has been with BiBi, starting from her very nice comics, songs. I'll miss her good mornings. We will miss, and not all we will miss about her saying goodbye, good morning, good afternoon, hi guys, something like that. And her learning English slowly, and also singing her famous song, Hi Doma, Gile Mulali, Hi Doma, Wanawane Wafikilenga, so Hi Doma, Lile Mulali, Hi Doma. That used to be her favorite song, and she really sang that song each and every single day when she was full of life, but this time she's relaxing and she's resting. Reason being, she has been really in pain, and she has been really into more painful because she was diabetic. At the same time, she was having some issue with blood pressure. So I have been struggling with her almost 2 years, since 2023. When I started traveling, days where actually she used to have it since 2020, but it wasn't that showing some signs. And she was under medication when she used to be in Tanzania, until right now, where she came back at home here, and then it started to worsen in 2023. 2024 it got very worse, in which I tried much by the aid of you guys to help me financially and supporting via motivational speak advices, and also sharing with me some advices on what to do to stay, how to stay with a diabetic person. I really appreciate your gift, I really appreciate your support, and I really appreciate your advices for that. It really helped me much until this time, because also of her age, she couldn't manage because I can say it was like first hand to her, struggling with her medication and everything. And at the family sometimes like that, family really helped. It's a big family, I've been with them, but that's it. Mostly BiBi used to take my commands, that's what I can say. BiBi used to love when I sing to her at first, when I used to talk to her. I'm sorry guys, sometimes I really get traumatized when I hear people crying loud, because there's some, each and every single day there are people coming, mourners, and because BiBi used to love people and people used to love BiBi, so sometimes I feel like getting out a little bit, because it really traumatized me, and I feel like very emotional to start crying when other people come and they start crying in a loud voice, like they scream. So I really feel traumatized, and I'm like, sometimes I go in my house, I close the doors, you know. So today I'll be sharing with you how everything is. And we were doing some thorough cleaning since yesterday, guys. Honestly speaking, no, I haven't slept. I was just thinking how even this morning I woke up and I was like, I just saw the sun coming out, and I was like, I went to my kitchen and I saw BiBi's porridge that remained. I really got really emotional, and I really felt very bad. So we are doing some thorough cleaning at home, and that's Mogendi. They are going to fetch water right there, right there. They're going to fetch drinking water, because we usually use drinking water from the river. Yeah. So I before I tell you what really happened with BiBi, so I'm just giving you a synopsis on how we have been struggling with her around here at home. At first we bought her the clutches. You know, sometimes when it used to get strong, she couldn't walk. So I bought her a walking stick, an aid walking stick at first. Then she used it. She was very strong, laughing with us. After the hospital where we took her to life care, we came back, and she was really doing pretty okay. And I just traveled to Ghana. I remember that. I traveled to Burundi, then all around back to Ghana, and that's how things came, and I started to move on with that. Then when I came back from Ghana, her situation was really worsening. Each and every single day it was worsening. Her health started deteriorating. Her speech started to become like very weak. She started forgetting some people. She started talking on herself sometimes, you know. But I really managed by the aid of your help, guys. Also some advices from the doctors, and I really never wanted BiBi to live a life that we used to live those days back. So I could use anything. Sometimes I could just deny myself and say, okay, I don't want to put on a good clothes, I don't want to eat maybe fancy, I don't want to party, I don't want to do anything, but just help BiBi to be at a good state. Sometimes it was just the other day when people told me, you know, you were in denial. With us, we knew very well that. Even a doctor told me the other day that from the look of things, I've been watching you. You are in denial. Sometimes I could afraid to tell you that BiBi will not make it, but because I saw your struggles up and down. Honestly, guys, I couldn't give up. You know, giving up wasn't my option for that. It wasn't my option for that. So I could do anything just to buy medication for BiBi, make sure her diapers are there non-stop. I could even sometimes beg out, like, please help me buy diapers to baby Maria. But for BiBi, I'll make sure that I've even worked very hard somewhere else and bought BiBi some stuffs around. And I really appreciate the gift of life for each and every person who have really like stood with me up to this time. I'm always grateful. You know, sometimes people might see me like this is the moment, maybe because of the burden that I'm carrying on my heart. Maybe as time goes by, as we are doing the preparations of everything that is happening around here, I'll really tell you, like, this is the moment that I felt like I'm myself. You know, friends that used to have, anything that we used to do, maybe something like we could just meet and have something, but I felt like I'm being avoided sometimes in some things because of maybe I met somebody, or I did this, I did this. Most of you guys pulled back and you never trusted me back again. I was like, it's okay. But with me, my really all heart was like, focus was towards BiBi, was really towards BiBi, you know. And honestly speaking, this will be maybe a story for another day. But I really felt like even those people who used to really support Claude, they really pulled back because of one to thing. I don't know why. Because sometimes I could do even a video with BiBi, I could feel like it's portraying like maybe I'm begging. So I could just do what I can do, scrub my back very hard, and work very tough. That's why sometimes you cannot see me. Maybe I haven't achieved what others have achieved, or I haven't done much what I've done. Reason being, sometimes we're being avoided. You understand, something like that, because your all time is being focused on something. You know, we might be making stories with you, or we might be maybe laughing, or you have invited me to do some stuff with you for a couple of time, but I'll be laughing or smiling at you, but at the moment in my mind I'm really feeling like, is BiBi fared well? What next? And for those people who have really stayed with diabetic people, or those who are diabetic, they can really attest the foods for diabetic people is very expensive, medication and everything. More so aged people like my grandma. And also my motivation is also to all people who stay with grannies, maybe like my grandma, who was never neglect them, because sometimes they produce what you call like an order that is not okay with you around, but with me I never felt anything bad about that. I was really doing it as it's my own Maria, baby Maria, you know, something like that. So anyway guys, BiBi, as I was feeding her yesterday, it was, let me say, time of that was 9:45, something like that. Yeah, because I really felt like it was something that was really pushing me. From yesterday I haven't changed any clothes. This was me from yesterday. I've been working thoroughly very hard around here. We have neighbors also helping around, and well wishers also coming up in and down, because a funeral is not like a wedding where you have to invite people. A funeral, people come by themselves and something like that. So maybe yesterday when I was I woke up very tired, and I felt very sick that night, very sick. I usually wake up maybe at least 6 or 5, because yesterday was a plan that I was coming to do some spraying of our watermelons that are around here. But unfortunately, my voice is gone, guys. My voice is gone. Unfortunately, I was like, let me go feed BiBi because it's her time. I think she was really waiting for Claude to come and just shake the hand and change her, clean her, and feed her even one soup. Or I think she was pretending like she's eating or she's drinking, but in real sense she was gone a long time ago. So she wanted to look at me, hold me, because she used to hold me sometimes very tight like this, holding me very tight sometimes. Whenever I go there, if I'm changing her, she could wrap her hand alongside my waist like this. And sometimes when I'm trying to put her seat, she could grab me very hard and she couldn't leave it. So as I was feeding her, she drank the first, she gulped first, second, and it was time for me to give her the pressure medicine that was Veronil and glucomet, something like that. Though it's not good to mention the medicines according to me. I don't know if things will be okay. And then just like that, she gargled it, and then she asked something like, so I told Manu, please rush and bring me water. BiBi needs water. And I really felt like she was leaving, because the moment she was holding me like this, I started feeling like the grip was loosening, and she was really maintaining the eye contact. So I really knew that BiBi was going. So just like that, I started calling my wife, calling our house manager, at the same time shouting her loud to Manu Claude, who is our last born. As I told her, BiBi is leaving us, please rush, bring water. So I thought I could save that, but she was leaving us, and she started gargling her teeth. You know, the time she started gargling her teeth was like 4 or 5 days ago. So I never knew if that is a bad sign. I've been told even when patients start to gargle their teeth like that means that they are not going to make it. So I never knew that. So I thought maybe sometimes she's joking with me. So that was the last time, and that's how BiBi went, and until now. So today, this is the work that is ongoing. It's an update. This has to be finished so that sometimes when it's raining, people can sit in here. And to install a cleaning on this other end, I'll share with you because I don't want to go this end. There's some visitors who are there. So let me use the back door. I'll share with you. So we were having what we call like an old kitchen. This is our very lovely dog. We had to tie it here because there's some visitors coming. So it can definitely bring us another chaos and cases. So on this other end, we are building what we call like a temporary kitchen. We used to have a kitchen over here. We used to have a mud kitchen around. Oh, my aunt just arrived. Sorry, yeah. So my aunt arrived. So we used to have a kitchen over here, a mud kitchen, but we really put it down so that we can try to put a new structure, because they will be cooking from this side. They'll be cooking from this side, and so we just put it down. This was as early as 5 a.m. and according to the traditions, we have to put a fire around here that is non-stop. So we bought some iron sheets that will be around, and we had Tony, we had Manu, Claude.
Yeah.
So they're really helping her around. Also some good neighbors. And the mourners are also sitting on the other end. So Tony, we are almost done. So it's meant to go look for poles.
Yeah.
To go look for poles.
Yeah, we'll find poles.
So that we can get a place where we can
Yeah, exactly. We erect the poles and also we nail them.
yeah, so we can prepare a kitchenette. It's like a kitchen. So it's like an outdoor kitchen, because this one was not in a good position. It could have fallen down. So I decided to pull it down so that we can move on with this. So I want to go buy some poles. As Julie is going to finish from the other end, we will try to put this here. And this fire, I don't know, maybe you can explain to us, Tony. According to the tradition, because I see most of the people when we have funerals, they always lit the fire like that, and it never goes off until the day when everything is finished.
So this one is a signal that we are mourning.
Okay.
Yeah. So we won't keep this fire off until we are done with the mourning.
Okay.
The bereavement period.
Yeah.
Which is probably before we lay the deceased to rest.
Yes.
And as well we extend some other 3 days.
Yes, 3 days. Some goes even 5 or
yeah. So we do extend based on the gender.
Yeah,
the male gender, that is 5 days.
Okay.
And also the female gender, that is 4 days.
4 days. All right.
And if she was young, like a juvenile, we 3 days.
Yes, 3 days again.
Yeah, for the female.
That's very new for me to know that.
So this is what we
So this fire, I lit it in the evening. They told me I'm the one to lit it, so I don't know why.
And it's not supposed to go off.
Yeah.
Exactly. The person to light this fire is supposed to be, for example, she was your grandma.
Yeah.
And she was so close to you.
Yeah.
So it was best for you to light this fire.
Yes.
And make sure it does not go
off.
Yeah.
Yeah. So actually, when I came from shopping, they told me you have to lit the fire. So I lit it. Until now it hasn't gone off. Yeah, so they told me maintain.
Not go off.
Yeah.
It should be maintained because this is a signal as well. Smoke is a signal. So we are interested with the smoke as well as a signal. Because you know it is something from the ancient.
From the ancient,
yeah. The ancient ages.
Yeah,
signal is a form of communication. So it communicates there is something.
That's
there
the going.
Something.
Okay.
That is it.
Yeah, guys.
And the fire also keeps us warm.
Yeah.
Because,
at night.
Yeah.
For sure.
We also accompany standing by the family, strengthening them.
Yeah.
We need warmth as well.
So this is also the sign of strength.
Yeah, so it's a sign of unity.
Yeah.
Get together.
Yeah.
And as well, we share a lot of things while surrounding the fire.
Absolutely.
We share stories, memories of
grandma.
Yeah. So it's amazing.
What really what is your greatest memory with grandma? What you can remember about grandma?
Grandma was a very, 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 very a visionary woman.
Yes. Manu,
I remember while we were so young.
Yeah.
she loved to sing for us some good songs. Some good songs. Absolutely. That will encourage us and give us that courage to bear the word.
Absolutely.
Yeah, like for example, she used to sing this song to Fairy. Actually, you know, in this our village, ladies have not gone that far in academics.
Sure. Absolutely.
So they get early marriages, the GBV, you get the
FGM sometimes.
We are faced with that in our culture. But now she used to tell the Fairy that you cannot be fallen a victim of FGM or GBV. So she used to sing this beautiful song, and it tingles my memory each and every time. She used to sing to this lady like this. Cheza mama ukashinde Waingereza.
Absolutely, mama ukashinde Waingereza.
Like dance little girl.
And then you
compete with the white ladies. Yeah, so that is it.
Absolutely, you just reminded me that song. She used to sing that song to my sister Carol.
Exactly,
the one that went to university.
And now we are very glad she passed very well. She's now pursuing a degree course in campus. You see, so sometimes the memory will still thrive. She was a very bold woman, actually. It is so sad that we are seeing our grandma on her way.
And actually with me, I can't see it. Sometimes I feel like very much sad because I'll miss her very much. But I see like we are celebrating her more.
Sometimes
it's more of celebration.
Gives you strength.
For sure.
Courage. Like
absolutely.
You have to live to see through the barriers.
Yeah,
exactly.
Yeah, man. Congratulations for the good work that you are helping.
Exactly.
And,
thank you so much.
Yeah, man. So let's work together. We are together.
Yeah, we are together in this.
Thank you.
And I'm also grateful for all those our viewers who are also in support of this time that we are in grief. Actually, what do we have to say? We only thank you and we wish that God bless you.
Absolutely.
God bless you so much.
Absolutely. So let's back and I'll share with you guys what's going on.
The
plans and everything. All right. Guys, we are from the kosher meal and let's just do like
Namuona.
So let's try to move again. We see what's happening around. So we have already
Guys, when someone go to find the true one, come when they will come back. You guys look like something different. Ooh. Look at this. Oh my Lord.
He's looking like somebody who went to look for true love.
They can come back.
And then he came back from the job
from the mountain. Hey, yawa. Barrio preparation. Wow. Let's go. Washalara. All right.
Let's go home now. I'm having a headache. I don't know why. Maybe because of thinking too much about BiBi.
Maybe.
Let's go home. All right, Masharia. So, good. Just like that, so we have some poles and pot firewood and some stuff to help around. Let's try and see. So guys, that's how you see, and yes, still keep on working. I'll just update you about what will be happening around again. So for now, we want to just make a kitchen here, because for now, they're cooking from outside. They're cooking from outside over there. They will see they're cooking from, but we want to just prepare a very nice outdoor kitchen, and it should be very better on this side. So that's why you see I went to buy these poles so that they'll be helping. Utagate mama waga vienero tafadhali. Hey. Kana nuru ambe ndache nyuri ndira entera. Hey. Hey. So you see how it is going. Tora utekena honiga unatana burito sana. Tasaidika tukifanya kazi. And also I brought more big trucks for the fire, bonfire. Yeah.
Brother Dagi, say something. Wow, this is Brother Dagi over here, guys. Actually, we are building. This is the outside kitchen. But at the same time, we need your prayers because right now we are passing through a difficult time. Through your prayers, guys, can give us energy and we can be strong people. Yeah. Because you can see, like right now, we have to cut again here. We will be using the, how we call it? Handsaw. Yeah, by cutting this side and fixing things together. I think like this is the door. The door will be here. So as long as we are moving here, we are trying to fix all things together. So we are at home, guys, because remember, this is home. We are one family, and this issue just got us together. So we have to come together and make sure that every single day we are here. And to make sure until the day that we will be burying our grandmother. So if you are watching this, you can also follow me in YouTube channel, Brother Dagi, subscribe and share to friends. So right now, guys, this difficult time that we are passing in the village, remember we are family, and I'm welcoming you to this so that we can be together and work together like a team. And one love, guys. So I'm not alone, we are a lot of people outside here trying to work, and the end of the day, we can be managed to finish the outside kitchen, and then tomorrow we will be doing some other activities and some other works. So keep watching. Like now, this is what we are fixing here. This is what we are fixing here. So hii itakaa wapi? Kwa chini. Chini kabisa.
How we can balance it. Kama tunaweza ingiza ndani alafu like that. Vuta kule kwanza. Hapo kwa. Hivyo. Zuri kwa bien. Kidogo nitoe. Sawa. Tukipandisha kidogo. Je, tuloko sana.
How we are fixing this. Hey, capture vizuri. Hii simu ni kama ile.
Continue slowly. We are here. Welcome to Brother Dagi's channel. We are really trying to hear what is much in good condition. Yeah. So we have really tried to put it down, and we are trying to reconstruct it so that this really got us off guard. So it's an emergency. That's what you see. They are cooking from there. So from the other side.
You can see they are just cooking from that side.
Yeah.
That's the place where they're just cooking from.
Yeah, so that's why we are like make sure that this thing has been in a good condition, so that in case when it rains, we will be in a safer place.
Wow.
So just trying to construct it right now.
So if you look at that, this is where Brother Dagi I was grown. And
hapo tu unaweza kabanza kadogo kama hapo iko sawa. Yeah.
What I was telling people this way, what I was telling people is Brother Dagi, Dagi, just know that I'm home, and just know Brother Dagi where I am right now. This cult station, we have to be together and make sure that the end of the day
things are moving on in the right way.
That's how we are doing.
We have been going together, fetching fire together, water, looking after animals around here. So this time today we are here together again, guys. I'm welcoming all of you to come witness with us, mourn with us, and your encouraging words are really helpful for us at this time. Because sometimes we might see us smiling, but deep down the heart we are really aching.
Yeah, that's
so
true.
That's why I'm encouraging you. Thank you so much, Brother, for being in this and also helping us to do the construction we're doing over here.
Yeah.
So it's together we can.
And actually, what people they have to know is, it's not like you have to use any kind of transport to be here.
Yeah.
If you come from my home, you know my home is
just
here.
a stone throw.
Imagine this is Claude Joseph's house. If you go to the another side, that's my home.
Yeah.
If you go to another side, that's my home.
We can't even gossip. I just passed by here. Like that.
Imagine.
Yeah, Brother Dagi, yesterday you were gossiping me. I was hearing.
You know?
Yeah. So we are here, and my mission is just to see how we're working here.
You're fixing all of these places here. You can
come with us
how we are fixing from this side.
And we have this ethanol light.
Yeah, this is the ethanol chakatot. Uzuri tunarekodi na simu. Uzuri tunarekodi na simu. Simu inajua izumu kama
We're trying to harness it just like that, and then we check also on this other end. We harness it.
Nilikuwa nimeshaona unapiga. Sasa nilikuwa nasubiria kuna kitu nilikuwa nafanya. Amna, niko hapa, niko maeneo uko hapa. Masafa. Haya. Halo. Boss. Haya, ndio hiyo nakuja.
Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to Claude Joseph YouTube channel. In case you're new there, subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment. My name is Claude. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude. Road to 2k subscribers, 4,000 watch hours guys. Please watch my videos till the end. And today guys has been a very busy day. My brother and others and other villagers, they were constructing outside there a house, not a house but a kitchen, that an outside kitchen that people will be using to cook, because by this time we are cooking outside, you know, and that will be also a house for the goats, you know. So today guys, it has been a very busy day, you know guys. We lost our grandma here in the village, so it has been a busy day guys outside there, as you have seen in the previous script back there, you know. So guys, here's what is here, you know. These are maize around here, you know. There's maize, and those ones are what you call sunflowers. And guys, again the dreamer have started doing what we call roofing. Is it ironing or roofing guys? Let me know in the comment section. You can comment in this channel or on my channel, that Claude or Claude on this one. Is it roofing or ironing, you know? So this is how it goes guys. This is how again the dreamer and his fundi, they have been doing a very good work today, you know. And I don't know why they have stopped, but it's the time here in the village, you know. The sun is setting there, as you can see, but if I turn the camera this way, I'm clear. If I turn the camera this way, you see some something like smoke, you know. So guys, I really appreciate for your love and support. Please keep supporting us in this difficult time, you know. As you can see, let me show you. It has been really busy day today here in the village, you know. Yeah, let me show you. I don't know if you can see outside. You see, it has been a very busy there, you know. Let me, yes guys, as you see there is, it has been very busy day. People are constructing outside their kitchen, and it's how things are going on here in the village, you know. So guys, I really appreciate for love and support. Continue subscribing, coming back to watch our videos, help us. We are mourning our BiBi here in the village, but yeah, so you can join us, you know. From here to Nyabuhanse is not like a very long distance. It's a very short distance guys, you know. So you can, if you are in Nyabuhanse, reach here from anywhere of the country. If you'd like to come here, come even outside the world, even outside like Kenya, outside this country, you can, if you want to come in, you can come. You're really welcomed. You are much welcomed guys. So I wanna end this video. I wanna end for Claude. I think we should end this video with Claude Joseph, you know, because he's very busy, and they have told me to continue with his own video. So let me go there and see what will be going on. Stay tuned guys. So guys, these are again the dreamer here, as you see. Again, introduce yourself, bro.
Once again guys, right here it's we can't say it's day 2 of the funeral. We're still working here and there, rushing back there to see what we could do, what we are doing right now. So we're trying to do an outside kitchen, so that when we start cooking foods, not feeds, foods, don't get when it rains, don't get we don't suffer from the rain. So here we are doing some good work.
Yes, so guys, as you can see, he's removing this the topper layer, pinning. Oh, okay. So inside here, they are fundi up there, and Claude Joseph is here. Claude Joseph himself. Yes, we are here. We are working. Yes, guys. He's ironing outside here, you see. We have some hand pans, you know? So Cloud,
Yes.
any last words?
Guys, we are running out of time, but let's try our best to work over here. And I want to say thank you so much, guys, for working with us, helping us where we can. May Almighty God bless you abundantly, and let's wait until we see what's happening. I'm updating you about what's going on. For now, they haven't given us more about what's going to happen, but I'll be updating you on how everything is going on. Thank you, guys, and God bless you. Bye.
Yes, guys. Bye bye from the village. Bye.
The bonfire.